Hi, this is Jay and welcome to Headways 360. As the new IPO of Mazagon Dock is opening tomorrow, let's discuss on the same and understand whether it's worth to invest. Incorporated in 1934, Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited is the India's leading defense public sector undertaking shipyard under the Ministry of Defense. It is engaged in constructing and repairing warships and submarines for the Ministry of Defense and other types of vessels such as cargo ships, multipurpose support vessels, water tankers, and so on. It is the only shipyard to build destroyers and conventional submarines to be used by the Indian Navy. When we talk of shipbuilding industry, then countries like China, Japan, South Korea, Russia are the leading players, and India is far behind in this list. The main reason why India is not able to do much in this area is because India needs to depend on other countries to get the equipments imported, which makes it very costly process. This IPO is open for 3 days, that is from 29 September to 1st October 2020. It is a completely book build issue with a size of 443.69 crores. This is completely an offer for sale wherein the money accumulated will be completely owned by Government of India as they hold 100% stake in the company. The face value is rupees 10 per share and the IPO price band is between rupees 135 to 145. Here the gap in the price band is on the higher side as normally it will be 2 to 5 rupees. This is listed in both Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange and each market lot size is 103 shares. As a retail investor, you can invest for minimum one lot which will have 103 shares for which you need to pay 14,935 rupees. And being a retail investor, you can apply for maximum 13 lots wherein you will get 1,339 shares for which you will need to spend 1,94,155 rupees. Currently, as Government of India holds 100% stake in the company and after the bid, they will shell out 15% share with public and will have only 85% stake in the company. When we see the summary of financial transactions and look at the profit after tax, in the profit we can see an average of 525 crores when we check on the last 4 years, and there was a decline of profit in the last financial year. Although it is the only public sector defense shipyard constructing conventional submarines and it has world class infrastructure, but the biggest drawback is that Ministry of Defense is the only client which limits its growth as the demand or contracts are limited. At the same time, it is not sure that the Ministry of Defense will give all the contracts only to Mazagon, as there are other competitors like Cochin Shipyard, L&T, Hindustan Shipyard, Garden Reach, and so on, who also get the pie of share from the Ministry of Defense. Before you think for applying for the IPO, just wanted to show how an existing company who is into similar business and was listed in 2018 has performed over the past 2 years. Here we are talking about another company by name Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, which was listed on 10th October 2018. The issue price was 118 rupees, but the listing was on discount, which got listed at 102.5 rupees. When we look at the performance, the journey was not so great for Garden Reach as it was never so consistent. Just after getting listed, it made a low in the same month just in 2 weeks on 26th October 2018 at a price of 77.70. At the same time, just after a year, it made a high of 219 rupees, which means the price was doubled comparing the listing price. But as we see now, it is still trying to reach the same level which it touched a year back. Although returns were not so bad, when we see today in this business, we cannot expect a huge multi-bagger return as there will be a lot of fluctuations based on contracts, work available with the organization, policy decisions, and so on. Money is yours, choice is also yours. Hence, applying in this IPO is purely your decision, which you can take after further study and consulting with your financial advisors as well. Please let me know in case of any further clarifications. Thank you for watching. Stay connected, stay blessed.